A day in the life as a private chef. After the client and I decide on a menu, I'll put in a pickup order at my grocery store to make it really easy on myself. And thankfully, I have amazing friends and family to help me with all of this. So after bringing in all of the groceries, I'll start cleaning the kitchen. You guys like my little outfit? This is how Florida chefs do it. They just wear shorts. Okay, so now we're sanitizing the counters, and then, of course, I always start with a big glass of water because I forget to drink water while I'm working. This is my trusty notebook, and she goes everywhere that I go. I put every little detail in this notebook. So this is the day before the event. What I'll do is I'll take the menu, write it down in that notebook, and then think about all of the components that I can prep day before. So the day of, I don't have to worry about any knife work. I can just focus on the cooking. So right now I'm working with lemongrass. I'm just cutting it up, bruising it with a meat hammer, and then I'll just boil this in some sugar and water to make a lemongrass infused simple syrup, and used in the basil lemongrass wine spritzer.